Hello and welcome to United Network News. I'm Sunny Galt. At UNN, you get the real news. Through our field messengers, we bring you the truth about what's really taking place in our communities. Our World Situation Report reveals exactly what's happening on our planet and throughout the multiverse. We are here to restore planet Earth. In the U.S., it is Monday, June 19th, 2023. Here are the latest reports from our field messengers located all around the world. What if you could purify water without having any leftover waste? That's exactly what they're doing in Belgium. Today you'll learn all about their special water purification system. And in Uganda, a community is coming together and they're bringing a lot of soul, literally. See how their efforts to create a local shoe industry is inspiring others. Today we visit Chateau Courtils in Belgium to learn about a special water purification system. UNN Field Messenger Helene gives us an insight into how this innovative process works.
Hi, I'm Helene, Field Messenger for United Network News. Frank and Lilly Collaris, they have developed a revolutionary water purification system that makes the purest drinking water for the entire castle.
This is actually where everything is, makes a difference. Because beyond this wall, we have 10 cubic meters storage capacity. And in this storage capacity, there is a very small pump. It uses approximately 30 watt per hour. Yeah? And this water will go through this one, and after that, this one. Vitalizers. Yes? And those two vitalizers, they make it possible that we lose all the chemicals. But remember, there is no filter in it. So no filter, and we lose all the chemicals. Now this is a big difference. And why? Well, most of the people and most of the systems actually we know, they take in water and they throw away the waste. It comes back in the environment. So nobody cleans something actually. The pollution gets worse and worse and worse because nobody will clean it up. In this system, it's totally different. Here we take 100% of clean or really wastewater, we take it in, and we make 100% clean drinking water. And we have no waste. No waste, that means all the chemicals are gone. Matter actually doesn't exist. It's information, what it's all about. And we know that about quantum physics, actually. We learned that. Many universities are really busy with studying this phenomenon. But this is nature. And when we understand nature, when we really understand it, then you can find such solutions. And the beautiful part about it is that it doesn't need maintenance, it doesn't need power, it does it because nature wants to have it, it wants to do it, it does it from itself.
This is Helene reporting for United Network News. Thank you for watching.
Wow, no waste. This is such a powerful water purification system. Thank you, Helene, for sharing such an amazing discovery.